All right, guys and gals, whoever's listening. All right, I wanted to show you this. This right here is a goddamn 0405 TRX 450 grab bar, which surprisingly bolts right the fuck up. All I had to do was this right here. Take that fucking chunk out right in the middle. It ended up being a 3 3/4 inch section of bar. Fucking pulled it out. I don't know if you can see in there, but went to the old local hardware store. They sell spacers. It's a little aluminum spacer. Get it to match the ID. Fucking pound it into one side and pound the other side on. I'm going to weld it up this week at work when I get the aluminum welder. I'll weld it up and then fucking nice fucking grab bar. I know it doesn't stick out as far as some of the fucking 70s ones do, but on my fenders I got that back piece cut off, so it's going to work fucking great for what I'm using. But I also want to show you, I got the tank finished mounting up. I had to make a little plate for the back of the tank, bolts right up, and I cut the stock little mounting tab that sits on the frame, usually like that. Cut that right off, and I built a new one. Kind of the same thing as the stock, you know, shape different, but works the same. The front, I didn't like the way it was sitting up so high, so right here is the stock mounting point, which I ground flush and welded them over. And I drilled new holes lower, and fucking tank sits a lot better now. I like it a lot more. It was just up way too high before. I think I still need to work on the old steering stops, because it can really fucking turn. But I mean, for now, whatever, it's fine. Yeah, so pretty much all the framework I needed to do was done. Fixed my pull kickstarter. Put a little shifter. It is a grip and the tube from a twist throttle. So I cut the end piece off where your cable hooks in. So now when you go to pull start this fucking pig, your hand can roll on it. It'll roll. All I did was throw 2 beads of weld right behind it. It's also on a metal sleeve. So yeah, it stops it from going any further back, and I welded a washer onto the end here. Just like that. Fucking ain't going nowheres now. Oh, pretty slick little setup. Not bad. I just didn't feel like paying all that money for that fucking pull start conversion. I also got the steering stem bearings in there. I got a couple extra bearings. I ended up losing them when I took it apart. So what I did is I went to the old local Tractor Supply, and you can buy, let me see if I can find it. Show you what I worked out with that fucking thing. Pretty slick little fucking setup to get you out of a pinch anyway, you know. Right here. You go buy one of these fucking roller caster wheels. Bring one of your bearings with you, and you can pretty much look in, see what size ball bearings are in them, and chop the fucking thing apart. Ended up getting, I want to say close to 10, 15 ball bearings out of that fucker. Same exact size as the 70s. So, to get you out of a bind, it'll work. Alright. So I'm going to give a few little updates what went down today. Just got to put the drain plug back in, put some real oil in it, and try it out again. Alright guys. Hopefully more to come. I ordered a Mini R 70 fender from Wicked. So hopefully that'll be here, you know, end of the week, next week. finally get a front fender on this pig. And if you guys got any suggestions to what you run for a headlight or anything like that, I'm open to hear it. I got a 350X light, but it's kind of big, so I'd rather have something that fits a little better. But I don't know. We'll see. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.